Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you what I bought for my electronics to get them clean because we all know that electronics, if you have kids, they can get so dirty with our handprints, or if your kid is sick and different things, or just naturally using it, it can get really icky. So you have to be careful. Electronics, can't just use anything on it. So I bought this Endust for electronics. It is very pretty good. It comes with 70. I've had this for a while because I don't have to use it often. It works really good. It's designed to provide a simple and effective way to clean your electronic screens and surfaces. So let's just take a look. Just look like a regular wipe. So you just pull it out of here. Let me try to grab one. So I'm going to show on my tablet how to clean. They say that when you do clean it, make sure your tablet is off and it's kind of cold, not warm, like not just turned off. This smells kind of like alcohol. Okay, so of course I got too many out, but basically just simple, just rub it, and you can let it air dry, or you can just take a nice soft cloth and wipe it dry. I just usually like to just wipe mine down. One time my grandsons were over and they were sick and sneezing on the devices, so this was so nice to have to get it nice and clean. So it gets it clean really good. And you can put this on like LCD plasma screens, LCD monitors, portable DVD players, non-glare screens, touch screens. This can go on pretty much anything that's electronic. So just wanted to show you, it doesn't cost much. It's pretty economical. I wish I would have bought more at one time, but this has been lasting me for a long, long time because you don't have to use it over. And you probably, really can just reuse it a few times if you keep it, in the box. I will have the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.